In this third and final episode, I'm going to start with aircraft interiors. Aircraft interiors are typically refurbished while the aircraft is being painted. However, interior components wear out at different rates. Carpeting tends to wear out first, followed by seats, sidewalls, hard goods, and then plating. Therefore, I suggest owners consider refurbishing interiors in stages rather than all at once. If well planned, this work can be scheduled during various maintenance events. Remember, cabin refurbs consume a significant amount of downtime because all the work is done by hand. And lead times for woods and specialty leathers can take almost a half a year. Next, let's look at flight deck upgrades. Generally, a 35-year-old flight deck installed in an aircraft updated to meet all mandates can still be operated as efficiently and safely as a new aircraft delivered today. But don't be lulled into thinking you're absolutely home free. Far from it, especially when something breaks. Then everything depends upon the cockpit's design philosophy. You see, many of the tiny parts like resistors and diodes found inside these old avionics are no longer made, and the engineers that designed these have long since retired. This means your flight deck might be living on borrowed time. Surprisingly, the earliest jets and turboprops are the easiest to deal with because the boxes installed in these planes operate independently and are designed to speak to each other. In addition, there is nothing proprietary about these designs, so third parties have been able to develop upgrade solutions, which fosters price competition. Older Collins or Honeywell-equipped aircraft, for example, can be upgraded using modern Garmin equipment. What owners of these older aircraft lose in fuel efficiency, they gain in lower costs to upgrade. Next, second-generation business jets with early integrated flight decks may not fare as well. The avionics in these aircraft are proprietary designs, and a solution, even from a third party, may never be developed if the fleet is too small to spread out development costs. Now, last but not least are more modern aircraft with integrated flight decks. These were designed to be easy to upgrade with LRUs, or line replaceable units, that can be swapped out in minutes. However, this is turning out to be a myth, because today, LRU upgrades are expensive and often require modifications to other components, making it even more costly. Finally, a quick look at performance modifications. Most modern turbine-powered aircraft offer few opportunities to make performance gains. One exception is winglets for Falcons and Citations. They're popular because they look cool and offer some payload and fuel efficiency gains. There typically are more options for older turboprop aircraft like the King Air series, and those offer a variety of engine, propeller, and airframe modifications. But before you make any of these investments, be sure the performance claims are proven with an AFM supplement. Well, that's it. I hope you found this investment series to be useful. I'm Dave Coleman, and thanks for watching.